Okay. The pandemic is not going to go away anytime very soon. And for the people who have been thinking, abhi khatam hoga, abhi khatam hoga, abhi khatam hoga, I am pretty sure you're all exhausted. I am. Okay. But what now? What do we do now? We have stress hai, irritation hai. So do we give up? Do we kind of let it go, or do we get up and do something about it? So I actually came across an article which said it's time to take your meds. I'm sure some of you must have read this statement. एंड मैं तो पहला दिमाग में थॉट आया वो आया यार अब ये और दवाइयां वगैरह खिलाएंगे. So but still I somehow went in and read it, and it was surprisingly awesome, and it gave me a 7-day challenge. And full disclaimer, it took me 21 days to do that challenge, about 80%. So not one of those troopers. Yeah, I did it in 7 days. So nothing like that. So when it said take your meds, the stands for meditation. So it is MEDS. So M stands for meditation. So the point is, you take 7 days and you go ahead and you kind of reboot yourself, and meditate was one part of it. Now meditation का हम लोग जब सोचते हैं कि भैया ध्यान लगाओ, and like that, meditation could be anything such as sitting and breathing. Do that 15 times and it feels amazing. When you get up, when you sleep, do that 5-6 times a day. I actually do this for about 3 minutes to 4 minutes, about 10 times a day. जब भी थक जाता हूँ मैं meditate कर लेता हूँ. I call it meditation, but it's just breathing. It helps. It just gets me centered, and it makes sure that I am at my optimal, or maybe not the best, but optimal. Okay, so M is for meditate, E is for exercise. Now this is a really tough one. भैया उठो, वॉक के लिए जाओ, कौन जाएगा, एक्सरसाइज करो, हाथ पैर हिलाओ. But it is extremely important in this situation that we move our body. So I figured out a couple of things that I am going to share that I did. I am an extremely lazy person. मुझसे एक्सरसाइज नहीं होती है. But still, in the morning, what I have done is I have decided to go to the temple, which is about 1.2 kilometers away from our home. ठीक है, मैं सुबह जाता हूँ, नमस्कार करता हूँ और वापस आ जाता हूँ. ये 2 किलोमीटर हो जाते हैं मेरे, 2-2.5 किलोमीटर हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, आई हैव काइंड ऑफ पुट अ गोल टू इट कि मंदिर तक जाना है. And surprisingly, after 2 weeks of doing this, the third week I was actually going for a walk, and I started कि मंदिर जाना है भैया, चलो कोई गोल लगा लेते हैं. दूसरा, what I did was I have converted my desk into a standing desk. So you can see that I'm making this video at my desk standing. So this is something I could do. सब जगह पे नहीं possible होता है, but मैंने ये किया. तीसरा, I dance with my daughter. उसकी शाम को डांस क्लास होती है, तो वो डांस कर रही होती है, तो मैं भी उसके साथ थोड़ा सा डांस कर लेता हूँ. Not only does it get me moving, it is so much fun for my daughter that she loves it. And उस चक्कर में she doesn't miss her dance class. So I could do this. You could have some idea how you could do it or what you could do, but move your body. Move it in a little different manner. वो खाली walk का हिसाब नहीं है. थोड़ा सा twist भी मारो. Alright. Now it is M for meditation, E for exercise, D for शायद काफी लोगों ने सोच लिया होगा diet. Now घर पे बैठे हैं तो binge eating होती है. You wake up late, you binge eat, खाने का कोई टाइम नहीं रहता. पहले 1-1:30 बजे खाना खा रहे थे, फिर आप अब 3 बजे खा रहे हो, कभी 11 बजे खा रहे हो. So it did affect me. I did this, and I am completely guilty of doing the binge eating. सुबह कभी 11 बजे खा रहे हैं, 8 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट हो रहा है, फिर अगले दिन 12 बजे ब्रेकफास्ट हो रहा है, फिर खानी भी सब मील्स हैं. But so what I did was I kind of controlled my diet because of this challenge. So what I did was I skipped breakfast. Now, wait. I understand breakfast is the most important meal, but I skipped breakfast. So what I did was in the morning when I wake up, I started waking up early because मुझे उस walk पे जाना होता है, मंदिर जाना होता है, so it helped me. And of course, my daughter's class happens at 9 a.m. sharp, so I help in getting her ready in the morning. So that is my motivation to getting up. You could find your own. There will be something for that. So what I did for the diet part is, in the morning when I come from that stroll, I would still say, I won't say walk, but from that stroll, I have 2 glasses of lemon water at a gap of about half an hour, 45 minutes. And uske baad, I will have a bowl of fruit at somewhere around 10. मेरी डॉक्टर की क्लास खत्म होती है तो मैं वो बोल फ्रूट खाता हूँ. देन व्हाट आई डिड वाज आई स्टार्टेड हैविंग माय लंच एट 12:30 और उसके बाद मैंने ये डिसाइड किया कि 12:30 से 5:30 तक मैं कुछ खाऊंगा ही नहीं. फर्स्ट डे इट वाज हॉरिबल. आई एट पीनट्स, आई एट चिप्स, जितना मैं कहूँ ना खाओ उतना ज्यादा खाया. बट देन on week 3, mid-week 2 and week 3 starting, what I realized was from 12:30 to 5:30 I was working uninterrupted without doing anything. मेरा सबसे प्यारा साथी मेरी पानी की बोतल. Anytime I wanted to eat or I wanted to binge eat or something, I take this bottle and I take a sip of water and it actually curbs your desires. क्योंकि mind जो है आपसे वो एक instant gratification मांग रहा है जो आप उसको इस पानी की एक घूंट से दे सकते हैं. It's a mundane activity, keeps you hydrated as well. So I keep 4 bottles of water for the whole day. 4 लीटर पानी मैं दिन में पीता हूँ जिससे मुझे काफी फायदा हो रहा है. ये मैं पहले नहीं करता था. So get into a diet habit, try something normal, and it's just about 7 days. Okay, it took me 21 days, could take you 14, could take you 7, could take you 5 weeks or 6 weeks as well, but give it a try. Now the last but not the least, the most critical part of it, okay, this is something that we ignore, or khaskar because we have lost our structure of life because we are not going to office anymore, is sleep. Okay, we underestimate the power of sleep. Sleep is extremely important. You need to get those 7-8 hours of sleep. लोग बोलते हैं अरे 7 घंटा 8 घंटा सोएगा तो काम कब करेगा. सोलर इंडस्ट्री में एक टर्म है 12N silicon. So it is silicon which is pure of 99.999999999%. Okay. 99 के बाद 10-9 और आते हैं, इतना परसेंट. फॉर 12N part of it, 99.9999999% of the problems that you have today, even if you sleep for 8 hours, they'll still be there tomorrow. There's a lot of world out there. There's a lot of problem solving out there. If you are healthy, if you are well rested, it will be much easier to solve those problems. So it's time to take your meds. MEDS. Meditate, exercise, diet, and sleep. I'll focus on the sleep. Take care and take your meds.